What's going on, guys? It's your boy Dr.Puffyloyn here with another dose of the Pokemon Crystal Randomized Nuzlocke. And as you see, we're in goldenrod because we got a little phone call from Professor Elm that Team Rocket's up to no good once again. So, team recap real quick. Ariana Quilava holding the focus band with Quick Attack, Mega Drain, Smokescreen, Ember. Nicola Haircross with the Polka Dot Bow, Rockin' Strength, Leer, Pin Missile, and Bone Club. Just taught the Bone Club, actually. We also have Francisco holding the Mystic Water to hold the Crab Hammer, power up the Crab Hammer. Also rocking Quick Attack, Flash, and Thunderbolt. Next we have our starter, Pedro the Poliwrath, holding the King's Rock to get a little flinchy in there. Rockin' Surf, Flame Wheel, Rain Dance, and Body Slam. And next up we have Oswald the Pupitar, holding the Hard Stone to power up that Rock Slide. Also rockin' Bite, Sandstorm, and Screech. Next we have our shiny Roland, the Marowak, also holding the King's Rock, because that came in handy, very, very handy. Rocking Boomerang, Focus Energy, Blizzard, and Rage. Now, let's go see what these little ne'er-do-wells are up to. We've finally taken over the Pokemon Radio Tower. Now, everyone will get to experience the true terror of Team Rocket. We'll show you how scary we are. Huh. Alright there. Tangela. Ariana got this. She got this in her sleep. She got this when she awake. Look at that. She even got the burn. We ain't worried about that bind because we got the burn. Told you, Ariana, she spit that fire. Can't get no higher. That physical attack is atrocious though. But at least the secondary bind didn't get us this time. Quagsire. If you were a little bit stronger, maybe. But till then, Pedro can handle this. Yeah, Pedro. That did nothing. So, hopefully, keep everyone alive. This is the plan, by the way. Plan is to keep everyone alive so that I don't have to grind up anymore and I can just level up naturally. And by then, doing that, we should be on par exactly with Claire. Because the next encounter we even get will be a Suicune encounter. No. Stop with the nonsense. No. Yeah. Alright. You have a King's... Pretty sure you have a King's Rock, so just... Come on, Osvaldo. You're better than this. Yeah. When does Quilava learn Flame Wheel? I feel like it's not too far from now. That's not gonna help. Actually, let's just see. Bubble beam. Okay, we got this. Yeah! Yeah! Nah, carry on and caught up with everyone. Well, there's that confuser, eh? Oh, come on now. No. No, ho ho ho, we switching. I do not trust this. Hold that for me, Zubat. Oh, you ain't got no hands? My bad. Spinnerack. Go back to Ariana. Lived on one. Oh, yeah. No. No, 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 no! So mad right now. Oh, I'm so mad at myself. I should have just been smart. Just not. Should have just went at someone else. Let someone else handle it. You were too low. I have to. So. I don't want to grind, so it's between. Grab this quarter again. Scissor's heads, Umbreon tails. Okay, you are not seeing the light of day. You're going to sit in the back like a good little boy, hold this experience share, while Big Papa and the family go and wreck house. Oh, okay. I don't care about you right now, Team Rocket. Go. Just go away. Just stop. Just stop everything you're doing. Just go away. So how many is that Team Rocket's killed? Is that the first one Team Rocket's killed? I hope so. Are you? No, you're just a person. Let's actually read that. To traders, Pokemon are their beloved partners. It's terrible how Team Rocket is trying to control Pokemon. It feels great ordering Pokemon to commit crimes. Well, murder is a crime, and you did just kill Ariana, so. What you trying to learn? Agility? Nah. I think this guy normally has a Porygon? Alright, I want to try this. Okay, that did nothing. That did way more. I'm just want Team Rocket gone out of my life. I don't want to see that. You know what? Too soon. Really, really too soon. And you're gonna quick attack, you're gonna try to live? No, you ain't living this. Next. I've been given strict orders. I want to crush anyone who challenges Team Rocket. Well, let's go, bro. Slowpoke. You know what? Francisco's got this. We'll let Papa Pedro have a break. Let Saint Francisco come out here. Sweep up a little bit. Smeargle. You know what? We're gonna let Uncle Osvaldo come out. Alright. And who wants to come out next? Hoppip. Okay. You know what? Let's get Big Bad Mama Nicole out here. Hoppip. Hold this. No? Too heavy? Cool. You plan to rescue the director? That won't be possible because I'm going to beat you. Sounds so sure of yourself, young sir. Mr. Rocket Grunt. With you and your Smeargle. Love me a crit, man. Alright. Nicole can finally fulfill her birthright to avenge Carly by her death of Giraffe. Do it for Carly, Nicole. Do it for your sister. Yes. Oh boy, you got a Dratini. You know what I got a Dratini? For a Dratini, I got Uncle Osvaldo. He likes to throw rocks, because he's a mean uncle. You can see me from here.
Most excellent. This radio tower will fulfill our grand design.
Oh Jesus, your grand design? Scientist Rich. Nidorino. You know what? Brother Ronald hasn't come out in a while. Let him eat these real quick. Let him just throw that bone around. Yeah. Director! You came to rescue me? This was... You were expecting?
Wrong, I'm an imposter. I pretended to be the real thing, to pretend for our takeover. Do you want to know where we hid the real director? Sure, I'll tell you, but only if you can beat me. Ha 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 ha!
Alright, bro, let's go. How many you got? 6? Alright, let's go! Got Elekid? Okay, so probably should have healed because I don't have that many surfs. Headphones and glasses do not mix. Hey, brother Roland, the Deli. See ya. There's a little penguin on the field. Dropping presents. Let's give you some shade with this rock slide, fam. Alright. Awesome. Hey, once you get to the 30s, holler at me. Brother Ronaldo. Roland, my bad. Aww. Yay! I always hope for the one shot, but I guess Nidorino is a little too strong. Not to. You know what? Let the saint come out. Jesus. My door just scared the fuck out of me.
Magneton. I got the shiny Uncle Roland.
Hey. You would. You would. Douchebags. Have Cyndaquil after you kill my Quilava.
We stashed the real director in the underground warehouse. It's at the far end of the underground. But you won't get in without this key. Ha ha ha! Oh wait, you have the key.
Alright, so go heal. Oh, too much. Hopefully we find some good items as well as we're here. Alright, hopefully we just get done with Team Rocket today at 18. So should be doing pretty fine. Actually, let's not lead with Pedro. Osvaldo. Oh man.
Hold it. I saw you, so I told you. I don't need you underfoot while I take care of Team Rocket. Wait a second. You beat me before, didn't you? That was a fluke, but I repay my debts.
Let's go, Earl. Benjamin the Macargo. That is his Macargo's name. It was Earl and Benjamin. Let's go, fam. Alright, Uncle Osvaldo. Getting that bite off. I'm liking it. Oh, snap. What I'd give for you to be a ooh, breaking out of confusion. Nice, nice. Confuse Ray again. Come on, Uncle Osvaldo. That is a well-trained Pupitar. Chikorita. Oh, I got something for yo, Chikorita. I got Mama Nicole. She can take her brother. She can take her brother's thing, Sandstorm. Whoa. I don't know why I used that. There we go. Gligar. Alright, well. I got something for your Gligar right here, homie. Oh, wait, no. Well, there we go. I got something for your Gligar right here. Go ahead, get that crit. No. Uncle Roland. You're lucky I just remembered that I had those. Just lane 1, that's all I want. Blizzard looks so cool. ×4, rolling down. Gligar down, rolling 1. Finally. Wigglytuff. Actually. No ho ho ho. Stop it. Stop it. Okay, sorry about that. Heard a noise, had to check it out. Bring it out. Nope. Starter v starter every time. Just see if you get better. And you never do.
I don't understand. It's what that Lance guy said true. That I don't treat Pokemon properly. Love, trust. Are they really what I like? Are they keeping me from winning? I just don't understand. But it's not going to end here. Not now. Not because of this. I won't give up my dream of becoming the world's best Pokemon trainer.
Well, with that, I'm going to wrap up today's episode. Took on half of Team Rocket today. Going to take on the next half on the next dose. So if you liked, make sure to, if you like the episode, make sure to hit the like button. Because, you know, one like will put a big smile on my little puffy face. Make sure to subscribe for more content in the future. And stay puffy, my friends.